Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I live in an apartment that is rented, I don't want to drill any holes or I don't want to be doing any harm to the walls. And this is where this command hooks comes into place. And let me tell you something, these guys are all around my house. These are built like a tank. And what I like about this is that it's not too aggressive on the wall. It has a double side tape that holds up to 3 pounds. What I do is that my backpacks or different things, my keys are hang in one of these guys here and I just put it there, no problem. The day that I have to maybe leave this apartment or move to somewhere else, I just have to drop this sticker down and it's not going to do any harm to the walls or it's not going to make any problem that is going to help me in some situation with the landlord. So, well built. This guys here can hold up to 3 pounds, as I said, and having the ease of mind that you can just instead of just dropping things, you use the walls as your storage for keys for backpacks that are not going to be as heavy. These are these ones are the one to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.